Hey there, Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where coding isn't just about writing lines of code, it's about writing lines of code with flair. Today we are Python. I know, decorators sound like something you hang on a Christmas tree. But trust me, they are way cooler than that. These little magic tricks can make your code cleaner and more elegant. So, if you're ready to learn how to decorate your classes in the way that I will make you look like a Python wizard, or at least make your code look like one, hit that like button and let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of Python of object-oriented programming, previously we started our new series about the object-oriented programming, and in today's video I am telling you about the abstract classes in Python. If you don't know what is abstract classes in Python, so let me talk about it. So let's start. In Python, abstract classes are classes that cannot be instantiated directly. They are used as blueprints for other classes. Abstract classes are created using the ABC, and ABC means abstract base class. And I have already told you that what is abstract base class in the previous video. Abstract base class module from the ABC library. They often include abstract methods that must be implemented by any subclass. Now let me show you one example. There is one example of the abstract class example in Python. Here you can see it. Let me copy it and then let me copy it. This is a very big code, so let me explain you this code one by one. First of all, let me open my Visual Studio Code and my file has been opened. First of all, you create a when you open your Visual Studio Code. First of all, you have install one text editor. If you do not have a text editor, install it on your computer or laptop. So let me tell you how to download it. To download it, first of all, you open your Google Chrome, and when you open your Google Chrome, search here Google, and then search here the text editor which I am telling you. I'm very satisfied from Visual Studio Code because from the beginner to pro, this is very easy text editor. But on this text editor, you found one extensions and you found the error very fastly. Okay, that's why I'm using the Visual Studio Code. So to download it, you only want to do it Visual Studio Code download, and then it is available in favorite platforms. Okay, very favorite and very popular 3 platforms by the name of Mac, Linux and Windows. So if you are on Mac, download on Mac. If you are on Windows, download on Windows. Or if you are on Linux, to download on Linux. I am on Windows and I have already downloaded, so I did not download it another time. Okay, but anyways, let's open our Visual Studio Code. When I open my Visual Studio Code, so first of all, I create a one file. I click on to the file, then new file. And the shortcut is Control or Windows N. If you are the shortcut man, so use the shortcut key. Or if you are not only a simple guy, so use the only mouse. I am not using the shortcut. So right here your file name. So what is your file name? I am giving to my file like index.py. Yeah, or you give your file name like 186.py because they one over 186 video of Python. I'm giving to the 186.py. And where you save this file is your own choice, on like this PC or in documents or in Windows or music or videos, C, D, E, F, G. So I'm saving my file in my documents because from the starting of the series I'm already saving my file in my documents. Okay, create file. So my file has been made it very successfully. Yes, to confirm that our file has been made it, to do this, you order here the Python logo will become. So that means your file has been built it. And you are thinking why I am writing .py at the end. From the starting, I've already told you that the .py is one extension to make the Python file. Okay, if you do not write .py, so your Python file will be not built. Cross. Now erase. Now what we can do here when we do this, so here we write this type of one code, copy paste. Now, first of all, in the 4th, 5th and 6th line, here we define an abstract class. What? Abstract class. Then, in the 7th line of code, we define one abstract method which must be implemented by the subclasses. Then, in the 11th line, we write a one comment, our double line comment, multi-line comment means here we concatenate method can be used by subclasses. Okay. Then in the 12th line we write our print function. In print function I write this email is shit, this animal is shit, eating. Then in the 15, 16 and 17 line we concreate the class. Then in the 20, 21 and 22 line here we concreate the class, and then in the 25 and 26 line we define instantiate subclasses, and then in the 29, 30 and 31 and 32 line here we use the methods. Here we are using the methods. Then uncommenting the next line will be race and error, because why? Let me show you. Because you cannot instant a abstract class. Okay. So hashtag animal equals to animal double commas. If you write this, if you do not do this in the comment, so it will give you it will raise you an error. So keep it in the comment, save it and run it. So the output it is saying dog says woof, cat says meow, animal is eating, the animal is eating. Why does it give me like this? Because first of all I write like dog says, then I write like dog dot sound, and dog sound I write the woof, and then I write cat says, then I write like cat dot sound, then in the cat dot sound I write like meow. So that's why it is giving me like this. Okay. So minimize it. So now let me tell you some key points. Abstract class. It define and it's using the ABC, capital ABC from small ABC. Number 2, abstract methods. It define and it's using the abstract method decorator. Number 3, concrete methods, and it can be defined and inherited by subclasses. And then number 4, cannot instantiate abstract classes and cannot be instantiated directly. Would you like further explanation or more advanced examples? So tell me in the comment section below. In today's video, I told you about the abstract classes in Python and object-oriented programming, and I know this video is smaller, so sorry for that, because this is the starting of our object-oriented programming, so that's why the video is smaller, and we are all making the video in the parts. I'm not making the videos in only whole video, I'm making the videos in the parts, so that's why the video is smaller. But anyways, I meet you next class and next very amazing class. So now here you have it, folks. That's how you can add some flair to your classes using OOP decorators in Python. I hope you now feel like a decorator pro. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed the ride, be sure to hit that like button or subscribe for more Python fun. Got any question or want to see more cool Python tricks? Drop a comment below and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, happy coding and keep decorating your code.